Then heat number 4, Mati Zagar off the inside in the red helmet colour. Gate number 2 in blue is Jan Kovac. Jack Holder out of gate number 3 in white. And Martin Vashlik, world number 3, off the outside with the yellow. Heat number 4. Tapes are up now. Wow, what a start out of gate number 2 there. Brilliant stuff. Into the first corner. Kovac absolutely flew away. Jack Holder coming out strong. Holder up the inside. Lovely move there from the Australian to fire himself to the front. Zagar, without the steel shoe, is doing a marvellous job in third place. Superb stuff from him. Jankovic now running wide. Does that allow Zagar up the inside? Oh, it's going to get tight. He's through. He's going to come through. What? Kovac?
Not quite. I tell you what, mate, Zagar's brave running up the inside as hard as he is without a steel shoe. Very tricky. That foot gets kicked back on the bike and it can very easily lose control, but he's giving it absolutely everything. Meanwhile, Jack Holder's checking out up front, has a lot of speed. So unlucky last year with that broken wrist in the Speedway World Cup. Missed a round in Riga, but he's on the pace tonight.
Indeed he is. He got himself to the front, a little bit like Bartosz Marslik, laying down a marker in his opening ride. Jack Holder, world number 4, riding superbly well in his first. Woffinden on the inside. We've got Mati Zagar on gate 2. Lebedev's out of gate number 3 and off the outside in yellow. Jason Doyle takes up. We're underway. Woffinden's made a good start, but Lebedev's is there from gate number 3. Look at Doyle! Brilliant. Oh, Doyle's off! Oh, down goes Woffinden. Actually.
Yeah, I was just about to say he was riding it, had pace.
Indeed. As I say, encouraging signs for all the 5 newcomers. To go on gate number 3 in white is Andrei Lebedev's, no rider off the outside. Jason Doyle is excluded. Restart. Heat number 7 takes her up. We're away. Zagar's made a lovely start out of gate 2. He fires himself to the front. Here comes Lebedev around the outside of Woffinden. Lebedev's pushing hard up the inside. It's going to get close. Oh! He got 2. A point first time out without a steel shoe. Looking to improve there. Bike was sharp away from the tapes, as I say, a man without a club. So how much racing is done? That's tight there. There's not too much room between them. Here we go then. Third time of asking. Takes her up. This time Woffinden's absolutely nailed that. That's more like it. Just needs to do that first time. He's out in front. Ty Woffinden taking full advantage of the restart there. Zagar back in second place. And look at Woffinden. Now he's got his nose in front. He looks really quick, and that's what we want to see.
Yeah, I think Ty would have been a bit frustrated by his first 2 starts because the bike isn't far off. It just wasn't pulling him to the corner. But that time, his reaction probably was slightly behind Zagar's, but the bike went all the way to the corner and certainly seems to have speed. And not sure, knowing he's guaranteed 2 points, how much effort Zagar's putting in, but Ty looks quick.
Well, Woffinden is flying out in front. Very impressive ride indeed. He's on the edge of the dirt. He's into the last lap. Zagar's trying. I'll tell you what, Zagar is trying, but Woffinden is mighty quick here, and this will settle him down very nicely indeed. Puts him on the scoreboard for the first time this evening after failing to score first time out. Woffinden out in front. Finally, heat number 7 is all over. Full indeed. Cabrera on the inside in red. Gate number 2 in blue is Schmarzlik. Gate 3 in white is Zagar. In amongst the points, going along okay, 3 points. 6 points out of 6. Robert Lambert off the outside. Gate 4, he got some big hitters, riders in form, hard chargers, World Championship Speedway. Here we go. Heat number 10, don't take your eyes off it. Takes her up. We're going to the first corner, and Schmarzlik gets there. Here comes Lambert now, trying to make the best of it around the outside. That is a terrific effort from Robert Lambert to make it into second place. Schmarzlik hugging the inside turn through turns 3 and 4. Zagar now getting the better of Cabrera, coming through into third place. But Bartosz Schmarzlik out in front.
He's going to be hard to catch from there. He's stretching Robert Lambert, who's looked quick in his previous 2 rides. Got to say, coming from gate 4, that's probably the best start we've seen. Yeah. So I think Robert Lambert will be quite happy and content now just to sit there, 2 points. And we'll move him on to a great start to the meeting for him.
Bartek Schmarzlik out in front, looking composed. Jack Holder and Schmarzlik looking very good. In actual fact, Lambert has also closed in nicely onto Schmarzlik. Schmarzlik just going to have to keep up to his work as they go through turns 3 and 4 for the final time. But Lambert will be dead chuffed with that. Zagar hanging on. He'll be back for more, I'm sure. Hülkenberg off the inside with a chance if he wins. In red, Simon Wozniak, gate number 2 in blue. Dan Bewley, gate number 3 in white. And Mati Zagar off the outside in yellow. Now, all these riders started with a very fine win. If he can do it again, giving himself a very good chance in the semi-finals. Here we go, heat number 16. Takes her up. Wozniak, no, it's Hülkenberg. Hülkenberg's got there, right round there.
He's going to get some speed down the back straight.
Bewley now coming on strong, you're right. He's got himself into second place, but he's eaten a lot of dirt there. Eaten an awful lot of dirt. He's got squeezed by Wozniak. No room. Zagar's at the back, the wild card. But Hülkenberg, who started so well earlier on, oh my goodness, look how tight this is. All sorts going on there with Zagar in the picture as well.
Hülkenberg, once he gets out front, he rides nicely. He's smooth on the bike. He's got plenty of speed in the bike too. Wozniak, he's got he's causing a bit of a traffic jam out there. Bewley now battling back past Zagar. Can he get Wozniak?
He's round the outside. Hülkenberg into the last lap, looking terrific out in front. Simon Wozniak really having to work overtime. So is Bewley. Bewley now hitting the dirt. Look at him go, winding it on. One last blast. Can he get into second place? Hülkenberg. This is smashing stuff from the German. Wins his second race of the night. Mickelson on the inside in red. Gate number 2 in blue is Leon Madsen. Gate 3 in white is Matty Zagar. And off the outside on 7 points is Freddie Lingman with the yellow. Gate number 2, which is proving to be the best gate so far tonight. Here we go then, heat number 17. The green light's on, takes her up sharpish. Mickelson's away nicely. He hits the front. Freddie's got squeezed out there as he's tried to come across. Tight coming out of the first turn with the 2 boys down the back straight. Oh, tight there with Zagar nearly running in the back of Leon Madsen. Here comes Freddie Lingman on the back wheel. How did he hang on to that? Dramatic scenes there, but will 1 point be enough for him? We'll have to wait and see, but Mickelson's in front.
Yeah, it's going to go against Freddie Lindgren because of lack of race wins, so I'm not convinced 8 points will be enough. But it's very, very tight for the semi-finals. This will do Madsen quite nicely, 9 points for him. Mickelson, this will be frustrating him because this won't be enough with 4 points coming into this race.
Mickelson out in front, 1 lap to go. He's ridden superbly well. Madsen hanging on in second place. Disappointment at this stage for Freddie Lingman, but you just don't know. There's 1 corner to go. Can he come up with something pretty special here? Madsen's ridden a classy last turn there. And Freddie finishing on.